Let me tell you about the Bell House Pottery, a brand new community ceramics studio in South London. As you can see, it's still a building site, even if a tidy one, but in 2 months' time, this will be open to the public, buzzing with activity. I asked Ed Burgess, the architect who designed the pottery, to give us a tour of the work in progress.
So when the pottery is up and running in a couple of months' time, there will be 8 wheels arranged around the outside of the space, so everybody has a view from their wheel, and a fantastic, great big shared table in the middle for whacking down big lumps of clay and the slab making workshops as well. When they first come in, happily it will be a much calmer place than we're seeing now in this halfway through the build stage, and they will immediately be struck by the natural materials and the even light that's throughout the space, and a sense of calm, I think.
Bell House is an educational charity. We offer creative learning for people of all ages and all budgets. And at the Pottery, there'll be subsidised places so everyone can share in the wonderful experience of working with clay. We're really excited about this next step in the Bell House journey. However, we have a problem, which is why we've made this video. Bell House have generously built the building, but we, the planning group, have to fund all the equipment inside it. That's the potter's wheels, the electric kiln, the pug mill that makes it possible to recycle most of the scrap clay, plus all the sponges, tongs, buckets, slabs, bats, etc. that make a ceramic studio work. Can you help us pay for this essential equipment? So far, we've raised over £1,000, but we need at least 10,000. Can you help us cross the finishing line? Please give what you can by clicking on this link below, and thank you.